Yo, what is up guys? So today we're going to be doing a pretty viral video of mine. Which is geocaching for money. For free in 2021, part 2. Okay, let's go. I forgot that a lot of you guys may not know what geocaching actually is. But geocaching is actually just basically like treasure you find on an app that is free. You can treasure hunt for free. No way, a geocache! People walk past geocaches their whole life. And it might even be in your own closet. Maybe some old guy just put a geocache in your closet. Well, I just wanted to tell you guys what a geocache is. Enjoy the video. First, we gotta plan this out. We've already geocached almost all the spots by me, except for downtown. Now, the only reason I didn't do downtown is because there's a lot of crackheads there. Friends I know. And also, there's a lot of just people in general, and it's very crowded there. So basically, when I say survive, I do not want to get bit today. So we're gonna go downtown. I think we could check this one already. Man, I need a snack. This is gonna be a long video. Alright. Bye. Huh, where's this geocache? Let's check this pole real quick. Alright, I see a spider under there. Oh my gosh, I found it. Found it. I don't know if you guys can see it. That shit is so scary. Ginger mints. Yeah. Alright, so it's just a log. No way! A piece of wood and a rock. So this next geocache is supposed to be by one of these poles, and I've literally searched like all of them and I can't find it. Alright. Was it worth it to get that shot? So our next geocache is around over there, in that direction. Nice sunset. Sure is a nice sunset. Wish I had someone to kiss, you know, for the sunset. Well, our next geocache, I think it's right below me. So let's check it out. I was mistaken. It's under. Oh, it's under you guys. No way. Let me redo that. Geocache is right below me. Let's check it out. Boom. I found it. It was one of those magnetic ones again. Alright, now back to the important things. I'm gonna take off my helmet real quick. So I'm gonna open it real quick. I think you slide it. No way. No way, there's a cat in the hat eraser and $2. So after opening it, there's $2 like this and a cat in the hat eraser on it. And I opened it and the cat in the hat eraser, vintage cat in the hat eraser, fell out. Well, that was the fun part of the video. Now we gotta go over the summary, the talk. How did this video go? Is it worth it to geocache? Now first off, I want to start off by saying that I'm very lucky with geocaching. These past 2 videos I've made money in some way. Now I don't know if I'm just like blessed. And also when you are geocaching, make sure to keep clean. Do not litter, please do not litter. And please do not destroy these geocaches because people will be searching for them for a very long time and they'll just find nothing except for a destroyed geocache, which actually has happened to me before, and it was a very sad sight to see. Now, third thing and last thing I want to add is be safe when you're geocaching, okay? I literally almost fell off a cliff. I didn't get it on camera, but I was riding my bike. It's like a little dirt cliff, and I had to hit the brakes to stop. I like lightly hit it, and my back wheel like drifted. I was like, ah! And I freaking almost like died, fell off the hill, and I put my foot down, and somehow I didn't fall, which another like, you know, pro athletic move. Now here's the full summary. We got a cat in the hat eraser. We got a branch, so just wood. And then we also got $2. Now after doing some research, wood could actually go for $9. So we basically found $9 with that wood right there. Now secondly, we found that vintage cat in the hat eraser. I'm not joking. And now that eraser right there resells for $17 at Office Depot. And there's another Cat in the Hat vintage eraser for $230 that we basically found. So overall, we made around like a lot of money just for free. Now, you may not get this lucky, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.